Hi, this is Eric. I'm the founder of Myhub, and today I'm going to show you how we go about authenticating Google Sheets and how we use it on Myhub. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into the application. So we're going to let that process. That takes us to our dashboard, our user's account, where we can view all of our calendars. And for this demo, I'm going to view the Gym Demo 3 calendar, which is essentially one of our businesses that would be organizing events. So you can see now we're in the dashboard, and if we go to this organization's add-ons, you can see their various add-ons. And for this one, we'll go to Google Sheets, and we can review the information. Click Activate when we're ready. That'll take us to Google to authenticate. We have the verification screen here. We'll go ahead and proceed through that, and we'll proceed through that. And that's going to authenticate with our server. And okay, we're back. And now you can see that Google Sheets is active. And if we come over to our events, you'll see we have a couple of active events. And if we go into this particular event, I've actually already set this up prior, but what we can do is go into edit the event. You can view all the event details here. Click next, you can view our ticket options. And on the final screen, we can actually enter a spreadsheet ID. So I'm going to click over to my drive here, copy the spreadsheet ID from that spreadsheet. Go ahead and enter it in here. And we're going to verify that. Okay, great. And you can see that now we're reading from the sheet the various worksheets that are available on that sheet. And if we come back over here, you'll see sheet 1 corresponds to sheet 1 right here. Okay, so we'll save our event, and that is now added to the event. So now users can go to the event, let's say customers, and when they RSVP for the event, their RSVP information will get sent to Google, to the Google sheet that we just displayed. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let it finish, and we'll give it a second to run. And we'll come back over here, and you can see that we now have the data from our event just popped in right there. Okay, so that's how we authenticate with Google Sheets. That's how we read the Google Sheets, and that is how we edit the Google Sheets, all right there. And then finally, if the business wanted to revoke the add-on so that future data did not go to Google Sheets on that event, they can either deactivate it on the event on the previous screen, or they can come up here and just deactivate all authentication with Google Sheets, which will remove that option from their events. Okay, I think that wraps it up. Thank you so much, and let us know if you have any questions.